there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our rear door security shield kit, suitable for Ford Customs 2012 onwards. It is very common to experience break-ins by thieves drilling holes through the rear door to access the locking mechanism. If your van has been broken into, you would usually be required to replace the entire door, which can prove expensive and time-consuming, especially if you need to respray the door. This X8R kit contains everything you need to repair a past break-in, as well as protect your vehicle from future attacks. The external shield is made from 2.5mm brushed stainless steel, which is over twice the thickness of the OEM door. You will also receive a closed-cell foam gasket which provides a waterproof seal between the door and the guard. The internal guard is also made from 2.5mm stainless steel and is powder-coated green. You will also receive a paper template, 10 nylock nuts and 10 stainless steel washers. Firstly, remove the door trim by using a flathead screwdriver to gently prise off the plastic rivets. Then peel back the plastic skin, but do not remove entirely. Dab grease around the area on the door and place the paper template over the top. The grease will enable you to move the template to the correct position. The template will marry up to the door handle. Using a center punch, mark the drill holes on the template. If you do not have a center punch, you can use a screwdriver bit and a hammer to knock in an indent. Fix the template into place using masking tape. Drill the pilot holes using a 3mm drill bit. Remove the template. Open the holes to 9mm. To stop the drill sliding around, you can place masking tape over the pilot holes. After this, you can offer up the guard to the door to ensure it fits. Clean the door to remove any swarf. Use a paint pen or touch-up kit to go over all the drilled holes. This will prevent rust. If your vehicle has previously been drilled by thieves, ensure that this has also been touched up. Allow the paint to dry. Take a good quality wax oil and spray over the holes. This adds another layer of protection against rust. Fit the gasket to the exterior guard and fit into the door. Wipe away any excess wax oil. Fit 4 of the washers over the top of the outer studs and hand tighten the nylock nuts over the top. Fit the interior guard. The best way to do this is to gently pull the exterior shield studs out from the door and line the interior guard up to the holes. Then press the studs through the door and guard. Place a washer and hand tighten a nylock nut over each stud one by one. When all the washers and nuts are in place over all 6 studs on the inside of the door, then tighten them using a 10mm spanner or ratchet until you feel resistance. Do not over-tighten the nuts as this could cause the studs to snap. Tighten the outer nuts in the same way. The gasket should fit flush in between the guard and the door. This is the installation complete. This product is now available to purchase on our Amazon and eBay stores, as well as our website, x8r.co.uk. Please search product number X8R0258. If you have any comments or questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the telephone number or email address on the screen.